Best motherboard for RTX 3070 Ti. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3000 series is a well-known GPU family among tech enthusiasts, gamers, and content creators. For your information, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3000 seems to be walking in the footsteps of the previous RTX 2000 series, and it's because we get similarly improving features and technologies for a wide range of workloads. But something was missing in the series, and it was nothing other than the GeForce RTX 3070 Ti. This graphics card stands toe-to-toe with AMD Radeon RX 6800, carrying impressive 1440p resolution performance at a high frame rate and mid-range FHD gaming output. But there must be the best motherboard for RTX 3070 Ti in your PC if you want a peak-level gaming performance. Most of the time, tech enthusiasts focus on selecting processors and graphics cards while building a system but ignore the motherboard. The inappropriate MOBO selection causes bottlenecks that reduce the overall performance, data flow, and signal transmission. Therefore, we have spent hours testing various motherboards from different brands and writing their in-depth utility reviews. Top 3 products. 1. Gigabyte Z590 Aorus Elite Axe. 2. Asus ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Formula. 3. Asrock B550M Steel Legend. Gigabyte Z590 Aorus Elite Axe. Specifications. Brand, Gigabyte, Series, Aorus Elite, Chipset, Z590, Socket, LGA 1200, Form Factor, ATX, Memory Architecture, Dual-Channel, Memory Slots, 4 DIMMs, Memory Size, 128 GB DDR4, Memory Speed, 5400 MHz, Onboard Wi-Fi, Intel Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax 2T2 ARC, Bluetooth, Bluetooth 5.0, LAN Ethernet, Realtek 2.5 GB LAN chip, SATA ports, 6 SATA 6 gigabits per second connectors. It's always very pleasing to see something featuring all types of features and usabilities to tackle any type of usage. The Gigabyte Z590 Aorus Elite AX is exactly the source of that happiness and an advanced add-up to the Z-series motherboards by the brand. There is a non-AX version available, but that lacks many essential features, like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and has a lower memory speed. The Aorus Elite AX is the best motherboard for RTX 3070 Ti, with an upgraded audio system, improved networking, and more. Pros. Excellent performance. 1-3 rear USB connections. Effective power phases design. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and 2.5 GB controller. Eye-catching design. Cons. Only 2 PCIe X16 connections. Asus ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Formula. Specifications. Brand, Asus, Series, ROG Crosshair, Chipset, X570, Socket, AMD X570, Form Factor, ATX, Memory Architecture, Dual-Channel, Memory Slots, 4 DIMMs, Memory Size, 128 GB DDR4, Memory Speed, 5100 MHz, Bluetooth, Bluetooth 5.0, SATA ports, 8 SATA 6 gigabits per second connectors. The previous recommendation, the Asrock X570 Phantom Gaming IGX/TB3, is to build a compact gaming system, but it lags in memory and connectivity options. But the Asus ROG X570 Crosshair 8 Formula is an all-rounder motherboard in terms of features and cost. Its users like it since it is enough to tackle heavy-duty loads. The brand has taken some inspiration from the original models and used the same design and high-end structural elements. Pros. Excellent performance. Plenty of USB connections. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and LAN. Future-proof for water cooling. Cons. Pricey. Asrock B550M Steel Legend. Specifications. Brand, Asrock, Series, Unknown, Chipset, B550, socket, AMD AM4, form factor, micro RTX, memory architecture, dual-channel memory slots, 4 DIMMs, memory speed, 4733 MHz, onboard Wi-Fi, not available, Bluetooth, not available, LAN Ethernet, Dragon 2.5G LAN, SATA ports, 6 SATA 6 gigabits per second connectors. Ashraf has been in the market for decades and is quite famous for producing quality motherboards and other computer elements. The B550M Steel Legend is one of the brand's impressive products with a micro RTX form factor. It's not only perfect to sculpt smaller systems but also the best affordable motherboard for RTX 3070 due to the budget-friendly B550 chipset. No doubt, the B550 chipset isn't as good as the X570, still, the board's overall performance and overclocking are impressive. Pros: affordable, perfect to build compact systems, PCIe 4.0 support, 10 phases power design,